And a look now at some of the major stories from around the world.
In news from the region, Cuba is facing a deepening crisis as fuel shortages continue to disrupt daily life across the island. There are fewer cars on the road, reduced economic activity, and growing strain on public services. The Cuban government has begun cutting back on university and cultural activities in an effort to conserve energy. International travel has also been affected, with fewer flights arriving into the country. Several airlines say there is not enough fuel available to refuel their aircraft, forcing them to turn back. As the situation worsens, concerns are mounting about how long Cuba can sustain essential services without external support. And the FBI has released images of a masked person in the hunt for news anchor Savannah Guthrie's mother. Officials are seeking to identify the individual, who they say was armed, more than 8 days after 84-year-old Nancy Guthrie disappeared from her home. Savannah Guthrie said on Tuesday her family believes their mother is still alive and issued a new appeal to anyone with information. Nancy Guthrie disappeared in the middle of the night from her Tucson, Arizona home and was last seen on January 31. Authorities believe she was taken against her will. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.